Welcome to our comparison of two powerful motherboards from MSI, the B550-A Pro and the Pro Z790-A Max Wi-Fi. In this video, we will explore their features, specifications, and what sets them apart. Whether you're an AMD enthusiast or an Intel fan, we have you covered. Let's dive in. The MSI B550-A Pro is designed to support AMD Ryzen 5000 series processors, making it a great choice for AMD users. On the other hand, the MSI Pro Z790-A Max Wi-Fi supports the latest Intel 12th, 13th, and even 14th generation processors, providing flexibility for Intel enthusiasts. This difference in CPU compatibility is crucial for users when selecting the right motherboard for their builds. When it comes to memory, the B550-A Pro supports DDR4 RAM, allowing for up to 128 GB of memory. In contrast, the Pro Z790-A Max Wi-Fi supports the newer DDR5 RAM, which can enhance performance and speed, albeit with a maximum capacity of 64 GB. This difference may influence your choice based on your performance needs and budget. In terms of networking, the MSI B550-A Pro lacks built-in Wi-Fi, which may require additional components for wireless connectivity. Conversely, the MSI Pro Z790-A Max Wi-Fi comes equipped with Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4, providing users with advanced wireless capabilities right out of the box. This feature can be a game changer for gamers and professionals who rely on stable internet connections. In conclusion, both motherboards have their strengths and weaknesses. The MSI B550-A Pro is an excellent choice for budget-conscious AMD users, while the MSI Pro Z790-A Max Wi-Fi offers cutting-edge features for Intel enthusiasts. Depending on your needs and preferences, either of these motherboards could be the right fit for your next build. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.